Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at this all-new 2019 Nautique GS22. This is an absolutely gorgeous boat, blue and white color. Comes on a tandem axle trailer. The seats on the back here are nice to be able to sit down and get your boards on. Nice center walk-through, so you're never stepping foot on any of the upholstery. Here in the bow, we have JL audio sound system with charging ports, cup holders, nice open area to sit. There's cup holders all over this boat. Here at the helm, we have a nice 12.4 link pan array screen. It's all touchscreen. Control the radio or anything from it. There's also a nice easy control right next to your throttle. This is a 15-person boat. Comes with heat, pull-out heat vents. Underneath this aft-facing seat is a 10-inch JL audio sounds subwoofer. This is a great compartment for everybody to put their phones. It's got the nice ring around here, so if water goes in, it'll drain out. The JL audio head. It's absolutely easy to use, and charging ports for everyone. The seat, as you see it here, is a flip-up seat, so you can face the aft and watch the action. This particular model has lighted cup holders, which you can change from about 56 different colors of your likings. Wraparound seating, and in this compartment here there's another seat that sticks in there, so it's wrap all the way around. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this GS22 or any of the other boats on our show floor today.